Have you been searching for the greatest Greek salad ever made? Did you wake up this morning and want something tangy and delicious? Something so good you can't sleep at night? Well, you came to the right place. I'm the food stranger, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the greatest Greek salad ever made. It's quite simple, actually. Just follow along with me on the screen. You can't mess this up. All you really got to do is start chopping up your vegetables, and you got a nice, juicy Greek salad. One of my best friends, Gordon Ramsay, taught me this recipe back in 1912. That's right, me and Gordon, we go way, way back. I actually taught him everything he knows about how to make a nice juicy burger. That's right, I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. It's definitely true. I forgot to ask you earlier, but could you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button in the bottom corner of your screen? I'd really appreciate it. That way you can get more juicy recipes like the one you see on your screen. Sorry, I got distracted. Let's get back to the salad. This bad boy gets an 8 out of 10 on the food stranger scale. Why don't you try out my recipe for yourself and let me know how she is? And I'll see you next time on the Food Stranger.